Luke Williams, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of different DIY rope tensioners. Now this is no replacement for knowing how to tie knots, so at the end of this video we're going to go ahead and show you the correct way to tie a knot when you're tensioning a rope for a tent or anything else. Alright, the first tensioner I'm going to show you is the ice scraper. Now it needs to have a hole down near the handle and a hole up here near the scraper. And also your car is probably going to have to be pretty close to your campsite, as most people don't carry these in their EDC that I know of. Now just like any tensioner, you're going to run the line first through the top of your ice scraper, then through the bottom handle hole, then you're going to run it around your stake, and then you're going to tie it to the bottom handle hole. Make sure when you tie your knot that you don't tie it around both lines coming through, otherwise the rope won't be able to slide and tension your tent. The second DIY tensioner we're going to check out, everybody should have in either their EDC or their emergency bag, and it's a tab, either from the top of a can of food or from the top of a soda can. So for the tab tensioner, the one thing you want to remember is you want to first feed it through the smaller hole and then to the larger hole. Otherwise, you're not going to have room to tie in the knot once you loop around the stake and come back. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, there's no replacement for knowing how to actually tie a knot in case you don't have the supplies you need while you're out in the field. So, I'm going to show you how to tie a taut line hitch. Alright, this is a simple hitch to tie. The first thing you'll do is take your line and loop it around your stake. Now you'll coil the free end twice around the standing line, working backwards towards the post. Now you'll make one additional coil around the standing line on the outside of the coils just made. Now you just tighten the knot and tension your tent. All right, now that we have it all tensioned down, I want to know what are some of the tent hacks that you know of. Let me know in the comments below, and then make sure you head to Raider Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the farm, I'm Luke Williams.